Hello friends, I am Mrs. Poonam Pawar, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, in the previous video, we have seen the introduction, warming up and chit chat of this lesson Be Smart. Be Smart means Yashasvi Bana. Today we are going to learn this lesson step by step. To be smart, we have to set some smart goals. So, we will see how to set smart goals. There are some steps to achieve our decided goals. These steps are set goal, make plan, get to work, stick to it, then we will reach on our decided goal. आपल्या गोलपर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी आपल्याला या टप्प्यांनुसार पुढे जावे लागते. Now we will see the lesson in detail. So come to the first paragraph. Champions aren't made in genes. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have the skill and the will. But the will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. We all have natural talents. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take action to achieve them. Setting goals has two valuable assets, a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Goals put one at the helm of life. Pursuing them acknowledges a better future situation. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. Now, understanding the text. The given extract opens up the process to achieve a goal and become successful. It tells that willpower combined with desire, dream, and vision are very important for any work to accomplish it. Setting goals are always beneficial for creating something new or finding something on our own and discovering the new paths. When one pursues goals gives the indication of a better future. This helps the person to be engaged in making efforts for achieving his goals instead of sitting idly for things to happen. याचा अर्थ असा आहे की यशस्वी लोकांजवळ तीव्र इच्छाशक्ती, कौशल्य असे नैसर्गिक गुण असतात. जेव्हा या गोष्टी वापरून उद्दिष्ट ठरविले जाते तेव्हा आपल्याला यश मिळते. उद्दिष्ट निश्चिती करण्यामध्ये दोन मौल्यवान गोष्टी असतात. एक म्हणजे कल्पकतेची समज आणि दुसरी म्हणजे ध्येयाचा मार्ग सुस्पष्ट करणारी पहिली पायरी. ध्येयामुळे व्यक्ती आपल्या आयुष्याची सूत्रे योग्य प्रकारे हाती घेऊ शकते आणि त्यांचा पाठपुरावा केल्यामुळे उज्ज्वल भविष्याची शाश्वती मिळते. ध्येय समोर असेल तर आयुष्याची गाडी रुळांवरून न घसरता योग्य मार्गावर पुढे जाते. Now come to the second paragraph. Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. To accomplish goals, experts recommend a 5-step approach. See this in short. For some people, it is very difficult to decide the goals. Maybe it is the fear of failure. Experts have given a 5-step approach to achieving the goals. These 5 steps are specific, मेजरेबल, अचिवेबल, रिअलिस्टिक अँड टाईम बाउंड. ध्येय निश्चित करणे जरी वरवर सोपे वाटत असले तरी ते अनेकांसाठी आव्हानात्मक असते. कोणतेही ध्येय नसेल तर अपयशाची भीती टाळता येत नाही. मात्र आयुष्यात काय मिळवायचे हे ज्याचे त्यानेच ठरवायचे असते. ध्येय साध्य करण्यासाठी पुढील 5 टप्प्यांचा मार्ग अवलंबावा असे तज्ज्ञ लोक सुचवतात. These SMART goals are: फर्स्ट वन इज स्पेसिफिक. याचा अर्थ आपले गोल हे अचूक हवे. सेकंड वन इज मेजरेबल. याचा अर्थ आपले गोल हे मापन करण्यायोग्य म्हणजेच मोजता येण्याजोगे हवे. थर्ड वन इज अचिवेबल. याचा अर्थ ते प्राप्त करण्यासारखे हवे. फोर्थ वन इज रिअलिस्टिक. याचा अर्थ ते वास्तववादी हवे. अँड द फिफ्थ वन इज टाईम बेस्ड. याचा अर्थ ते कालबद्ध हवे. इन वॉर्मिंग अप चिट चॅट वी हॅव लर्न an acrostic same like this. Here is a word SMART. So here is S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic and T for time based. So an acrostic is done of the word SMART. It is also mentioned here that SMART goals have a specific rubric. So we will see each rubric word or each word step by step. The first SMART goal is specific. It involves identifying a specific area for improvement. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? Let's understand this goal. When one has clear goals in front of him, it gives a clear view of classy outcomes. It makes his efforts accessible towards the goal or success, and it gives a framework or guideline and execution of the work. It is like guessing or estimating the things about a building to build, where we think about it from all aspects like capacity or estimated time. अर्थ असा आहे की यामध्ये ज्यात सुधारणा होण्याची गरज आहे अशा अंगांची ओळख होणे गरजेचे असते. अशा भागांची अचूक निवड केलेली असेल तर उद्दिष्टपूर्ती उत्तमरित्या पार पाडली जाते, कारण त्यामुळे त्याच्या कक्षा निश्चित होतात आणि उद्दिष्टांपर्यंत जाण्याचा मार्ग सोपा होतो. उदाहरणार्थ, एखादे घर बांधताना ते किती क्षमतेचे हवे आणि किती कालावधी ते घर बांधण्यासाठी लागेल याबद्दल माहिती असणे गरजेचे असते. Now come to the next goal. It is measurable. Quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. It means being an achiever, one must know his position while proceeding towards success. He must know how much and how far he has to go, removing all the barriers. Football players' example clearly demonstrates this. म्हणजेच ध्येयाचे परिमाण निश्चित केले तर प्रगतीचे मापन करण्याचे विशिष्ट मार्ग आखता येतात. त्यामुळे ध्येयपूर्तीच्या संपूर्ण कालावधीतील कामगिरीचे मानक ठरवता येतात. तसेच सुधारणेच्या संधीही शोधणे सोपे जाते. उदाहरणार्थ, फुटबॉल खेळताना खेळाडूची भूमिका व त्याचे मैदानावरील स्थान निश्चित असणे आवश्यक असते. Now come to the third goal, achievable. Setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. Often, these goals may act like stepping stones to help meet broader goals that further define a career. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. It means setting a goal and completing it in estimated time is a really great and proud thing. Always these goals show us new ways or new heights of success. Efforts to reach the goals and the experience of many other things can teach us what great abilities we have and how one should go for the broader goals. For example, a person cracks some competitive exam and gets selected as an administrative officer. But after some time, he recognizes or gets new ways to turn his better carried into the best one. That is, an administrative officer may become a collector or may try his career into पॉलिटिक्स. अर्थ असा आहे की ठराविक कालावधीत पूर्ण करता येतील अशीच ध्येये ठरवावीत. अशी विस्तृत ध्येये पूर्ण करण्याची पहिली पायरी, ज्याला आपण मैलाचा दगड म्हणतो, असा मैलाचा दगड बनण्याचे काम करतात, ज्यातून कित्येकदा भविष्यातील कारकीर्दही ठरू शकते. कदाचित आपण राष्ट्रपती किंवा पंतप्रधान बनू शकणार नाही, परंतु एखादा मोठा सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता बनून प्रभावी कार्य करण्याचे स्वप्न नक्कीच पाहू शकतो. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट गोल, रिअलिस्टिक. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू क्रिएट गोल्स दॅट आर विदिन इट्स वन्स करंट स्किल सेट or area of expertise. Building expertise takes time, so expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adhere to that picture. Understand this text. Having a skill is very helpful in achieving goals, but the skill or expertise never come in a night or two. It takes a long time to get mastery or some skill in a particular field. So one must know the skills he has and should know the limitations also. Nothing is impossible, so one can improve the skills and get well versed in it. The only thing he should know that the expertise does not come in a short time. And here comes the honesty and realistic approach to self and to the efforts we put. And whatever skills we get, we must stick to that, because willpower and vision will always help us in this matter. म्हणजेच स्वतःला अवगत असलेल्या कौशल्यानुसार व क्षमतेनुसार ध्येय निश्चित करणे महत्त्वाचे असते. कोणत्याही गोष्टीत प्रावीण्य मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला वेळ द्यावा लागतो. त्यामुळे कमी कालावधीत एखाद्या विषयात पारंगत होण्याची अपेक्षा ठेवणे चुकीचे आहे. वास्तववादी दृष्टिकोन असेल तर आपण सहज ध्येय साध्य करू शकतो. बचावात्मक असणारे आणि धडाडी नसलेले ध्येय बहुधा वास्तववादी नसते. आपल्या डोक्यात एखाद्या ध्येयाचे चित्र स्पष्ट असायला हवे आणि ते पूर्ण करण्याची क्षमताही असली पाहिजे. म्हणजेच आपले ध्येय हे रिअलिस्टिक म्हणजेच वास्तववादी हवे. नाव लेट्स कम टू द लास्ट गोल, दॅट इज टाइम बाउंड. Establish time parameters around each goal, as it will help increase focus and accountability. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt, or indifferences, but within a deadline. It means, like the skill and the willpower, one must think about the time management and give a proper time limit to achieve the goal. It empowers one to focus on the goal and get the target within or around the determined time. If one is time bound, there is no chance to have the hesitation or doubt in the mind. So let's see again the SMART goals. These SMART goals are specific, state exactly what you want to accomplish. Measurable means use smaller mini goals to measure progress. Third one is achievable means make your goal reasonable. Fourth one is realistic, it means set a goal that is relevant to your life. And the last one is timely, it means time bound, that is, give yourself time but set a deadline. Now, in the end, there are two more paragraphs. Let's read this. Visions, wishes, intentions, and dreams are all valuable. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact that results. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Success is a walk in the dark, finding the right footing, preciously mastering the skills, and getting to the next place. All depend on how we approach and tackle the problems. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. Understand. As we already considered that vision and willpower with great and creative imagination is necessary for the achievement. We must try to execute the plan, imagination into reality, or else it would become a daydream. While executing the plan, we come across the quality and quantity of our effort. This will helps us to make improvement in them and to remain on the right track to get desirable results. Here, if we sow the seeds of hard work, we will sure to get the fruits of success. While reaching our goals and getting the success, we must take the right steps. Even when we don't have any idea about a few things. And here, our skill and will always show the way to be on the proper track. And when we take steps of our efforts, they should be firm to support us morally. याचा अर्थ दूरदृष्टी, इच्छा, आकांक्षा, स्वप्ने महत्त्वाची असतात, कारण त्यामुळे आपल्या कल्पनाशक्तीला चालना मिळते आणि आपले उद्दिष्ट निश्चित होण्यासाठी मदत मिळते. इष्टपूर्तीसाठी आयुष्यातील प्रतिमा वास्तववादी बनवाव्या लागतात आणि ठरवलेल्या धोरणांचा योग्य अवलंब करावा लागतो. यश प्राप्त करण्यासाठी योग्य पाऊल उचलण्याची तयारी, कौशल्य आत्मसात करणे आणि पुढील टप्प्यांवर पोहोचणे आवश्यक असते. यश म्हणजे अंधारातून केलेली वाटचाल. योग्य पाऊलवाट जर शोधली तर तिथे पोहोचण्याचा सर्वात उत्तम मार्ग म्हणजे पुढील प्रत्येक पाऊल योग्य दिशेला टाकता येणे. आपण उचललेले प्रत्येक पुढचे पाऊल आपल्याला न डगमगता भक्कम आधार देणारे असायला हवे, तरच आपण या प्रत्येक पायरीनुसार यशाच्या अत्युच्च शिखरावर पोहोचू शकू आणि स्मार्ट बनू शकू. We have completed our lesson 1.4 Be Smart. Here I am giving you glossary or some new words in this lesson. You should write these words in your notebook. Here we have completed our lesson 1.4 Be Smart. In next video we will solve the workshop on this lesson. Till then, bye.